The AxxonSoft software suite offers an option to control PTZ cameras via the control panel or directly from the camera window. Let's set up a PTZ object, which is a child object to the camera. To activate the PTZ device, select Yes in the Enable field. You can set any name for the device. To allow for simultaneous control of a PTZ camera by multiple equal priority users, select Yes in the Multiple Control list. Otherwise, only one user at a time will have control. If necessary, you can configure patrol mode parameters. Specify dwell time between preset camera positions in seconds. Specify the transition speed between presets in standard units from 0 to 100. By default, preset positions are stored locally. If you prefer to store presets on the server, set No for the Use Device Presets parameter. To enable standard preset positions on a camera connected via the OnVIF protocol, an additional setup procedure is required. Click Apply. To check PTZ operation in the preview window, click this button and drag to rotate the camera. Alternatively, you can click the Test button. You can specify PTZ control priority in user rights settings. PTZ settings also include the idle time after which the control automatically resumes. Now, let's proceed to the layout. When you activate a PTZ camera with the mouse, the special control panel appears. The panel is used for the following functions: setting and changing camera preset positions, setting iris, focus and zoom parameters, panning and tilting, starting and stopping video patrol tours. To specify a PTZ preset position via the control panel, click this button and enter the preset's number and name. If necessary, you can reposition the camera, for example, by using a joystick, and save the new position as another preset. To call another preset, click the corresponding menu position. You can delete and edit preset positions. To call a preset, type in its number using the numeric buttons and press Enter. To delete the last digit, click this button. Now, let's take a look at video patrolling. Patrolling is the automatic transition between camera presets in a pre-programmed sequence. Click the Patrol button to start patrolling. After you click the button, it turns blue, and the camera starts sequentially switching between preset positions. To stop the camera tour, click the Patrol button again. To operate PTZ, you can use controls located in the camera window. There are three methods provided: on-screen PTZ, point and click, and area zoom. Using the on-screen PTZ method, you manipulate the mouse within the camera window. To engage this mode, click this button. To engage the point and click mode, press this button again. You can reposition the camera lens by left-clicking anywhere on screen. Area zoom mode brings a particular area of the frame into focus. Click and hold the left mouse button inside the camera window. The location of the mouse becomes the center of the focused area. Drag and release the left mouse button to specify the desired area. Point and click and area zoom modes are available for a limited number of cameras with analog PTZ control. This is how we control PTZ cameras.